Hi guys, Little Goose Gaming here, and welcome to our channel. We're gonna be playing Fly Like a Bird 3 today. So, let's see it. Right here. Fly Like a Bird is where you could be a bird and poop on people, and make nests, have babies. Hang on, let me load this in here. Yes, I know it's the first time I'm actually talking in the game, because the other ones, my parents were around and they don't want to hear me talk. Sorry, I thought my mom was home. I just heard a car. Anyways, let's get into the game, shall we? I'm gonna be a Robin. No name. Let's go to City 1. Let's go ahead and troll some people, and we're gonna kill some people. How about that? Yeah, see, there's a bunch of people right here. There's Swan. There we go, I got him. Got him again. Woohoo! Dang it! I didn't even poop. Yeah! See, I'm doing it. Yeah, you're doing it! You're gonna die. Sorry, that was my sister, by the way. Hiya! I pooped on Samuel. Now he's gonna die. Where'd he go? Oh, so he departed. Let's kill him again, shall we? Come here, Samuel. He's a swan, so makes it an easier target for me. Because swans in this game are slow. So. Ah! We're gonna kill these guys. No. Sausages!
Sausages! Yeah!
Sausages is on my subscribers list. Hi, sausages. Here, just tell him. Alright, let's go poop on some people. Thank you! Well, thank you very much, sausages. I'm making one right now. Yeah, here, I'm gonna come up to you real quick. Hi. Hi there. So yeah, guys, this is Sausages. I don't think he has any content in this channel, but even if he doesn't, subscribe to him. He's a cool guy. Thank you. Thank you very much. I'll be making more. Just put in the comments below whatever game you want me to play. Nothing that has something to deal with paying with, because I don't have money right now. Alright. Let's go ahead and build a nest. Let's see. Aha. Got one. Ah, car. Car almost hit me. That wasn't nice. Alright. I know, I saw. Alright, well, let's go get another twig. What? No. So, okay. Sorry, I was just talking to my sister for a second. Alright. Aw, I got ran over by a car. You fucker. Hey, this is nice. Alright, so let's go ahead and put this on our nest. Robin's nests are so tiny. Right. There's twig this way. I saw that, sausages. Ah! Watch out! Alright. Build this nest right here. Alright, let's go get this twig. Ah, come on! Why do I keep getting run over by car? Alright. Let's get this on my nest. Let's go get one more twig and I think I should be done. And then lay an egg. Okay. I try not to make my videos too long because then it takes a whole, like, it starts messing up when I'm trying to upload it. So, just like I did with another video. Oh, you can have that one. Okay. You can have it. Go ahead. Fine, you know what? I'll take it. Thanks, sausages. Thank you. Wait. What? I thought he was on top of my nuts. Okay. I guess let's just stay here with the egg and cool it. I guess. Alright. So I'm actually really glad to be a YouTuber. I'm glad I get to do gaming videos thanks to OBS. I now can record games. Sausages, come here! No, I can't go over there because like my egg's gonna be cold and then you know. Oh, there's another no name. Alright. Okie dokie. Okay, let's see what we can do now. Let's go poop on people, I guess? No? Ow! No, my egg's cooling down. Gotta go get it. No! Egg, 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 egg. Egg! Gotcha! Okay, I'm gonna go get that twig. Because I do need twigs. Owie! Oh my god, I have one life left. That's not good. Okay, I need to stay up in my nest to go get to safety. I need to raise up my chick. No! No, where'd it go? Oh no, it's gonna die, isn't it? Ah. Come on, no, don't die on me, don't die on me. Okay, I got it in time. Alright. He asked if we were friends. Okay, alright. We're definitely friends. Of course. I'm friends with all of my subscribers. Woo! Hey, no egging on him. Okay. Hi. Aw, speed it. Alright, there we go. Let's go get some food. Pizza! Nice. There we go, we got some pizza. So you get to have pizza for dinner, little one. Here you go. Is that yummy? So once this grows up, I think I'll end it. So. What? Why are you chirping? Oh, does he chirp every time I come near him? Yeah, cool. So it's like he's excited when I get home. We're gonna name this Sausages. We're gonna name it Sausages. Alright. Look how small this chick is compared to me. Look how small it is. Like, teeny tiny. Wonder how big it is compared to a swan. Or small. Mom's been gone for almost 2 hours.
Well, about an hour now.
Well. Alright, hopefully this guy grows up and then we can end the video. Because my mom's gonna be coming home pretty soon, so. Nice. Gives us time to grow the chick, feed him. I fed him from all the way over here. Sausages keeps the party. Why? Harley, I mean, Shana, don't squish Harley. My dogs are like right behind me. So he's like, I just peed on him. What are you gonna do about it? Should probably feed my chick. Yeah, it's hungry. Look how big you're getting. Not really that big. There's a lot of pooing going on. Ah, what the heck? Yay, I flew away! Yay! I have a successful robin! Alright, well, where's Sausages? Oh well. I'm sure he'll come back. Well, that's all we have for right now. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe down below. And I'll be doing more later on. And we'll see you in the next video. Alright? Bye!